All right, so we about to get into this smoky eye. That's me and Keisha warming up for y'all. So I'm grabbing the P. Louise, and I put the P. Louise all over the lid. And now I'm blending that out with a black eyeshadow. Trying to smooth out those edges as well. Then I'm going in with my Morphe 506, and I will be getting some brown to smooth out those edges on the top. And the thing about the smoky eye, you want to make sure that you blend out your eyeshadow well so you don't end up looking like a raccoon. Now I'm about to do the same thing on the other side. Once again, I'm using the P. Louise black base. And I'm using the Morphe James Charles palette. Now I need to clean up the face. I'm taking off all that powder that fell. I'm moisturizing with Pond's. And then I'm also using my NYX primer. Then you see me, I'm using my MAC Studio Fix foundation, as well as my MAC concealer. And you'll see me using the same brush for the concealer. I'm just trying to blend out those edges and smooth them out. I will be sure to put a list of all the products that I used in the comments section. Right now I'm adding my translucent powder underneath the eye. I'm using a thin layer. I don't like to use too much powder because I don't want it to be cakey. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Y'all see it. All right, let's contour this nose. Let's snatch it up. I'm using my Morphe 506 brush. And right there, you see me warming up my skin using my setting brush, my Real Technique setting brush. And of course, lashes are a must. There is no look completed until you pop a lash on that look, honey. I was trying to figure out while I was doing my makeup, what color lip should I add on. I was conflicted between the red or purple or pink. I just didn't know. But yeah, I figured it out. It came out real nice.